Hi guys, and a happy new year. Thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you a new crochet set I got. This is what it looks like. So I'll be showing you what exactly is in my crochet pouch. So stay tuned to see that, and also go ahead and like, share and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so as I would have said before, this is my new kit. Alright, so I've already taken it out of the packaging that I got it in from the shipping company. So this is what it's in now. Okay. And it comes in this little pouch. Well, I get this pouch with the set. Nice. Look at all these hooks. Wow. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it 11? 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. 11 hooks. And look at the different sizes. I'm so excited. Ooh, from the tiniest. Oh, let me just pull them. I don't know why I'm showing you through the plastic. Oof. Alright. Okay. There's so many. Now I don't have to only use like the one hook. You guys know the one hook that I have? The gold hook. And I also have a silver one. The one single 5mm hook. Now I have others, and it has these handles. So it should be more comfortable to crochet now. I can't wait to use them. Right, so I think this is the smallest one. Yeah. And this is 2.5. Does it focus? I don't know, but this is 2.5. Okay, that's a lost cause. And I think this one is the largest. Oh, it's 8mm. Okay. Oh, maybe this is where I need to hold it for to focus. All right, so this is 8mm. And this one is 2.5. Okay, and there's also 7, there's 5, there's 6, 3.5, 4, 2, 4.5, 2.5, and 5.5. And I bought it from Walmart online. Alright, let's see what else is in the pouch. Okay, I get measuring tape. I already have one, but that's cool. Ooh, and these are really helpful. I think they're called markers. So when you are crocheting and you need to mark where you stopped or mark a section, just put it in. Okay, so I'll pull this now. Okay. Cool. Alright, and how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 markers. What else is inside? See, I don't even know what this is. Okay, I'll find out what this is at a later time. If anybody know what this is, just put it in the comment section. Huh. Or I really don't know. Okay, and these would be, so you know when you finish crocheting, well, if you know or you don't know, these are to weave in your ends, so it's much more easier. So you just put the yarn through here and it's easier to weave your ends in. So I have a set of those, and what's left, oh, and this to cut it, I guess, to cut your yarn. I guess no need for scissors. So this is my set. This is the pouch. I got 11 hooks, which I'm so happy for, and markers, measuring tape, this I don't know what it is, I'm gonna call them needles, and this as well. So that's the end of my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed.